Hey friends, it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a wonderful day. I am today out and about doing some errands in Kelowna and Vernon, BC, which is not where I live, but it's kind of close to where I live. And there are just some really beautiful plant nurseries in both of those cities. So I'm going to be visiting a few plant nurseries. I'm not going to any big box stores. These are all going to be smaller, well, not small, but independent plant nurseries, and just see some beautiful plants. Maybe buy a few plants. We will see. It's going to be kind of a relaxed vlog-ish plant visiting video. Hopefully that sounds fun to you. I am right now in Vernon. This is Nicholas Alexander, which is a beautiful nursery in Vernon, and I'm just going to go look around. Okay folks, I am at the Greenery now. This is probably my very favorite nursery in the world. It is huge and it's got outdoor and indoor plants. I'm kind of looking for some outdoor herbs today, but it has a really good selection of plants in general. I'm excited, let's go. right, I made it to Art Nap. I think this is actually going to be my last stop. I was planning to go to Rick's Garden World and Better Earth, but I have run out of time. I spent way too long in the Greenery and I have to go get groceries. So anyway, I'm going to go into Art Nap, see what they have, and that'll probably be the end of the video. We'll see, unless I get a burst of energy and decide to go somewhere else, but probably this will be the end. I did get a ton of herbs at the Greenery, which is kind of why I'm out and about looking at plants. But you never know, might find something else here. Kidding. Or they just got a fresh shipment or something. happen. I was very tempted by that pink polka dot begonia, but I didn't actually buy it. I don't need it right now, so I did leave it there. I don't have time to go to any other garden centers, so that is going to be it. I'm going to go do my groceries and all my other errands that I actually came to Kelowna for. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.